welcome back to my channel. I'm Jesenia. If you're new here, definitely hit that subscribe button down below and join the family. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys 4 different summer essential oil recipes that you must have. What you're going to need for all of these recipes, you're going to need aloe vera gel. Make sure that it's organic, natural. You'll need a vitamin E oil. You're going to need witch hazel, coconut oil, raw organic sugar, Himalayan salt on the organic side. You're going to need filtered or distilled water. You will need lemon oil, lavender oil, peppermint oil, and bergamot oil. You'll need a container because we're making a lemon coconut scrub. And then you're going to need 3 2-ounce spray bottles. This one is a 1 ounce and these 2 are 2 ounces. Preferably buy amber glass or cobalt blue glass bottles. You could find these on Amazon. I ran out. I only have these 2 bottles right now. So I also have this plastic bottle, and that's what you're gonna need for the container wise. And then you need a teaspoon measurement cup. You'll need a half a teaspoon measuring a spoon, and then a half a cup, and then also a funnel to funnel everything. So let's begin, and I'm gonna share with you guys 4 different recipes again. So we're gonna make the lemon coconut scrub, we're gonna make a peppermint cooling spray, then we will make a bergamot room spray, and also we are making a after sun spray with the peppermint and lavender oil. So let's get right into it. First up, we're gonna make the peppermint cooling spray. So get your 2-ounce bottle. I'm just gonna use the plastic one for this one, and you're gonna need 8 drops of peppermint oil. So you're just gonna put your 8 drops, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 drops in there, and then you're just gonna add your water to the solution or to the bottle. Make sure your water is filtered or distilled. Made a little mess here, and then you're going to close that up, shake it up, and this is so great for the summertime because peppermint has a cooling effect to the body. So make sure if you get this on your hands, do not rub it by your eyes or anything. Peppermint is really great for headaches, so I do suggest put them over here versus your temples over here if you have a frontal headache. But this is so great for the hot weather, or even if you have sunburn. Now I can't open it. Here we go. So you're simply just gonna shake it up and spray it on your skin, and the water itself is gonna give you a cooling effect, but also the peppermint too. So you could spray it all over your body. Just be careful with your face and your eyes because the peppermint will burn. But this is so great. You could put this in your purse. Take it with you when you're in the car, spray yourself, or when you're outside. It's really great to have on hand, and it's great because it also repels insects too. Insects don't really like peppermint menthol type of smells, but I definitely love this, and it just feels really cooling, especially me living in Phoenix, Arizona. It's about 105 to 110 degrees out every day. So this is just great. Even if you're like walking your dog, you could just bring it with you to help you cool down, and it just feels really refreshing, and it smells great too. And even you could use this as a breath spray and just add it, because this is my peppermint vitality oil, which is the white label for the Youngliving oils that it's FDA approved to ingest it. So if you're also having a bad breath day, you have multiple purposes of this cooling spray. So simple and easy to make, and you can label it however you want with labels, and that is your peppermint cooling spray. Next up, we have a bergamot or a summer room spray. So bergamot is a citrus oil, so it smells really good in rooms. I just love any citrus oils. I have my bergamot Youngliving Vitality. That's just what I have for the bergamot. And then you're gonna add a teaspoon of salt as well to the bottle. I'm using the 1 ounce because there's no specific ingredients for that one. And the reason why you wanna use a teaspoon of salt is it's gonna help emulsify the oil. And this funnel doesn't really fit, but it's gonna help emulsify the oil, and just because oil and water they don't mix well. So this salt, Himalayan salt, is just gonna help the oil combine with the water. So I just added it into the funnel, a teaspoon of Himalayan salt. Then you're gonna add your drops. You wanna use about 10 drops here. If I have anything left over, there we go. Then you're gonna add the water. And then close it up, label it, shake it up really good. And there is your room spray. And you can spray this anywhere you'd like. Next up, we're gonna make the after sun spray. So this is gonna have the witch hazel, the vitamin E, the aloe, the lavender, and the peppermint oil. So the oil that you wanna use the most is the lavender oil. Lavender oil is first we're gonna add the lavender oil. So you're gonna be putting 10 drops of lavender oil on here. And the reason why it is in the after sun spray is lavender promotes really soothness to the skin, and it just really supports our skin. It's really good for supporting like blemishes and stuff, and it just has a very like calming effect to it. So we're gonna add 10 drops to that. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I am using a 2-ounce bottle. And then you're just gonna add 2 drops of the peppermint oil. So remember, don't put this near your eyes because it will be burned. But we're only putting 2 drops because we don't want the peppermint to be strong in the after sun spray. And then you're gonna add half a teaspoon of the vitamin E oil. So get as much as you can in there. You could use the funnel. My funnel is a little bit big, so it doesn't fully cover it. And then you're gonna do 2 tablespoons of the witch hazel. Witch hazel is really good for toning the skin, and it's just a really good toner, and it's really gentle and gets rid of bacteria that's on the skin or on the face. And the vitamin E oil is an antioxidant, which is really good. So we're gonna add that. And we're gonna also add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil because the coconut oil is it moisturizes the skin. So mine's a little bit liquefied already from the heat. So we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of that. You wanna make sure you have cold pressed and unrefined coconut oil. I buy mine at Trader Joe's. As you can see, it's already like splitting between the oils. And we're gonna add the aloe vera. Again, aloe vera is very, very good for the skin. Very cooling, helps with inflammation. There's just so many different benefits from the aloe. And you wanna make sure it's organic. This one has no parabens in it. It's not tested on animals, no artificial color or anything like that. If you have an aloe plant, that is obviously the best way to get your aloe, where you get your aloe from. I'm gonna add the aloe vera to the rest of the bottle. And you're just gonna put the cap on and mix it up. Just gonna rub the aloe, the rest of it on my skin because it's good for you. Shake it up as best as you can, and you wanna keep this in the fridge so that you preserve it. The vitamin E oil is gonna preserve the oil, but you wanna just keep it in the fridge so that it's really cooling for that after sun. And it sprays really nice, and you could rub it in because the aloe is gonna make it spray a little bit different. And just put it on your skin, and it's just gonna smell really nice because of everything combined in it. And that is your after sun spray. The last summer recipe that I have for you is a lemon coconut scrub. And this is just so great because lemon is like a citrusy, uplifting smell, and it's a summery smell, and I just love all the citrus oil. What you're gonna need is obviously lemon oil. You need a half a cup of raw sugar and a half a cup of coconut oil. So I'm just gonna eyeball it here and put in the coconut. Then I'm going to mix in the sugar. And then I'm just gonna mix that up first, get the consistency that I want. And it's looking pretty good. Really nice consistency. what's great about this is you can eat this. So it is very plant-based. And then you're gonna add 12 drops of the lemon. Added the lemon, and then you're going to mix it up again. You have your wonderful lemon scrub and lemon coconut scrub. And it smells literally just like lemon and coconut. And it smells so good. I cannot wait to use this. Really good for the skin. Those are your 4 summer essential oil recipes. Homemade, so easy to make. I just put it in a glass container, and you can put it in the fridge or just put it in your bathroom, totally up to you. Then we have the After Sun Spray. I just use Post-it label to label it with tape because I don't have labels. So the After Sun Spray, which is gonna be really nice on your skin. It feels really moisturizing just in general. So if you just want something really moisturizing or a glow for the summer, you could definitely put that on your skin. Then I have the summer spray, summer room spray to make your bedroom smell so pretty. You also have the cooling spray that you could take with you on the go. And as well, you could take this on the go too if you're going to the beach, to the pool, or just simply outside in the sun. So those are the 4 recipes that I made for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please leave a comment down below if you liked any of these, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Namaste. The light in me honors the light in you. Bye, guys.